let's try to unbox this new mouse from Fantech. So Fantech mouse, Thor wired gaming mouse. So I'm looking for a wired gaming mouse that is wak sa budget. So itong Thor X9 yung nakikita kong sulit. Around 600 pesos. So ito na, maganda yung packaging from Fantech. And then, try natin buksan. Oh. Yan. Oh, sunod. Maganda yung okay. So after, load your weapon. Yan. So napakaganda. Oh, simple lang. So may styro pa siya sa loob. So yun, mayroon ring warranty card, tapos may manual. Pero dito tayo focus sa mouse. Ang kagandahan dito sa mouse is, wow! Premium quality. Fantech X-Tor 9. So yun, made sa plastic na hard. Maganda yung buttons. Tapos yung scroll wheel, smooth. Ang kagandahan nito is braided na rin yung cable para hindi siya matanggal. Kaya yun yung simple na mouse kung naghanap kayo ng cheaper alternative. I'm using the Razer Imperator. So ito almost the same. Meron din siyang button dito. Customizable rin. So yun. Maraming salamat Fantech for your great mouse. So try natin. So follow for more para try natin tong mouse review.